She's just a friend, right?
I'm also a something else.
Yes, a best friend. Yeah. Let's keep going. Back when I was working, Saturday always carried a weight. It was the reward at the end of a long week. A chance to catch my breath, get errands done, maybe squeeze in a little rest before Monday came calling again. Saturdays felt short, borrowed, and sometimes rushed. But now, in retirement, Saturday has shed its old meaning. It's no longer the break in the grind. It's just another open page in the week. A day to move at my own rhythm, whether that means whacking down the yard, sipping coffee, or simply watching the sun climb. I don't look at Saturdays as the end of something anymore. I see them as a continuation, a reminder that time is mine now, unstructured, unwound, and waiting to be filled with what matters most today. And maybe that's the beauty of retirement, realizing Saturday was never about escape at all. It was always an invitation to simply enjoy the day you've been given. Morning.
Morning.
So I'm just looking at Junior's story from yesterday. The one child to do homework on a Friday night. I wrote a story about a boy going up a ladder. Interestingly enough, he got to the top of the ladder and saw a big box and brought it down to his parents, and his parents told him to bring it back. Well, the funny words is that he went to his mom first. Mom said you should take it back. Then he went to his dad, and his dad said, "That is true. Your mom said to go take it back." Dad validated Mom's initial request, and he went and he took it back up the ladder. Yeah, but you gotta factor in, like, that's his creativity. The creativity was, I go to Mom first, see what she says, and then if that's not good enough, maybe Dad will provide a different response, and then when Dad reaffirms what Mom said, then it's like, oh, okay, I guess I gotta go take it back.
So why they can't stand for me? Why were you so silly?
Well, because if Dad said, well, I think you should keep it, then we get even more drama. But there wasn't enough, there's only one page. I mean, imagine where that could have gone. Exactly. Dad played well on that one. Speaking of playing well, it's Saturday, as I like to soon call the Saturday Water Wars. Saturday morning, I don't know, there's a better name for it, but yeah, last 2 weeks, water pressure's been blah, from the pipe anyway. The rain gods have supplied sufficient amount, thank you very much. So the rain tanks are full, and there's probably more rain coming today. But the water commission, the water company, how can I remember the name? It has water in the name.
National Water.
I don't think that's it. I have their app, so I can
It's
pay
National
for
Water
Commission.
Yes.
They have a new app. You can pay online.
No. That's what you know them as before.
Yeah, NWC, yeah. Good job, National Water Commission. Yeah, the pressure's been blah, so nothing last night. Pumps are on this morning, and we're We're at the end of the road.
Then everything when I say, tell me wrong. You think me wrong?
Well, it just sounded ridiculous. Why would a company call themselves the National Water Commission? And then I was like, wait a minute.
Because it's not national.
Wait a minute.
Water Commission.
That does make sense because they're NWC.
International, yes.
Oh, no, don't fly off the handle there, dear. You keep it national.
Yeah, everything you say, you always have things I'm wrong when you say nothing. Not because you're brighter than me, educated, I'm done. But at
wow, honey, this is how she goes extreme. Like,
Not be like Junior.
I need to follow in the story and say, whatever you say, dear. That's what Sonia said.
No.
I'm not even learning.
I'm learning.
I'm not even. Why is it everything I say you think I'm saying about you? I said I am not even learning. I could have taken notes from Junior's story. And just been like, she's right. Anyway, it's gonna rain supposedly. Ooh, supposedly. First try. I'm getting better. Waxed more part of half of the yard yesterday afternoon, and I think I'm gonna tackle the front this morning.
Tyler, you know, so when you walk half of the yard, you see, and you left, and you see
the other half.
You did half grow back, but did half for you now walk. With the rest of rainfall, it grow faster. You know that?
Okay, now we're going to get to the point where we start to disagree. Wait a minute. So if I don't sweep it up, the grass is going to grow back faster.
Not that. If you weed, no, I'm not talking about sweeping up. I say if you weed walk part of the yard, and the other half is not weed walk, then the part where you weed walk already is going to grow back with the other part. Even if rather worse, red is falling. Say grow faster. Weed grow faster.
And you started off strong with this one today with the NWC thing, but I think so. Your solution is to just not.
No, my solution is to just cut the whole yard one time.
Hey, dear, when you got 5 hours and you want to get behind those weed whackers and you got the energy to do it,
yeah. You think so? Me can't weed whack it? Probably that do better job than you do, you know. Can you miss one big patch right
That's
down?
not a big patch.
That's
it's
a big
small little patch. And the other patch is because of your French time or whatever that is.
No, man. Your French time, they easily grow back if you want to
well, I don't want to cut it up, though. I don't want that. What'd you do to my plants?
Exactly. You know, some my rosemary will grow. You see that one already, so it fluffy up.
Like celery?
Yeah.
The one that you don't know the name of or know what it looks like when it's fully grown? Neither do I. I've never grown a celery before. Yeah, so
anyway, the rosemary is coming up pretty. We put a little bit of water on it. And then the oregano. Oregano,
however you choose to pronounce it.
Anyway, that's growing nice too.
You should use some of it in your cooking today.
I'm not cook today.
See how I tried to get a hold of that one? Yeah. What are we eating today?
I don't know.
So bring on a Saturday. Who knows? The continuation, the story continues. One ladder trip at a time. Oh, I know what we're doing.
Cut up on a chicken and French fries.
I thought that was tomorrow. We're supposed to find a new trash bin today. We have one that got a little obstructed, so it didn't get picked up. So we're going to go on a hunt for a trash bin today. And any bin will work. There's no this is not the US of A, my friend, where there's a company that provides bins for you. No, any trash holding device is acceptable, and you hope they don't take it with them.
I was going to say, put the bottle out the road and put trash in it. Dang,
I thought about that.
That is going to go. They're going to take up that one.
No, that's a good way to get rid of it, I guess.
No.
We could. But somebody else down the road has a fridge.
I know, right?
They hold trash and put the trash in it. It makes sense. At least that's got a door. Exciting Saturdays are happening around here, man. Let me tell you. Coffee's hot. Kids are sleeping. See where the day goes. you guys. Happy 1 week old birthday. Hello. Come here. You're so cute. Hi. I know, a whole week. Wings are changing already. Man. Getting big. Mm-hmm. Oh boy. Really?
You're supposed to follow me. Come.
Well, you gotta move if they're gonna follow you.
But I'm running out of money.
Oh. No. Oh, get down to their level, huh? Okay.
Hi. Hello. Hello. You must order here. 1 years old then. Green. One chicken. They jump. I put them out there.
They flew.
Yeah, that's why them a jump.
Okay, we'll keep watching.
Okay, so today this is Angelica, and today I'm going to help Sonia's. And last time I was playing iPad long. And now today I'm going to help Sonia. So, and Tyler was cooking something, and Dave playing iPad. And me going to help Sonia. So, take.
Well, we've been called out. I know many of our viewers noticed. Often by the white bread. I'll refrain from white jokes, but yeah, we have Jack's wheat bran hard dough this time. Family dropped it by and tastes fantastic. And I'm often outnumbered when it comes to the bread. I do prefer the brown, as you know, but yeah, this one's a pretty fantastic one, and hopefully something we can continue going forward. Hopefully.
Tell them what we make today. What we make? Egg.
Egg.
And what? Plantain. And some juice. So this is my plate. As you can see. So this is what we made for our breakfast.
Look, yeah, look.
Your belly get big. You done? Only piece of black left. And look for mine. Juice for this and everything. Done. So guys, we're going to wash the plates now and then read a story to you guys. One day, my school was having a football match. Red House and Blue House against each other. I was on Blue House team. After we say our anthem, we got the match started. We were playing until we got a goal. We celebrate, then the game started back. We were playing and then the other team scored. We play until it was half time. In our half time we we talk to not make the other team score, and we drink some water and talk. After half time we started the game. I was tired. The game was going until I saw the ball coming to my face. It hit me hard that I had to come off the field. My face was bloody, and I went to the nurse and they said that I cannot play. That is my story.
All right, we have a lead. A lead. Supposedly, getting better. A friend of ours has a bin. So we are clearing the path. Gazebo boys are back today, going strong, getting more of the, I'm calling it a rock wall, stone decor. Andre, go to the front. Okay. The stone decor is going up. And we are heading out. Yeah, we are going to go fetch the buckets. Water's gone. Oh well, better luck next time. But we are going to hopefully get that. Go to Highgate and now maintain a variety of mystery items, because I have no idea what we're eating. We are a bit indecisive today, and sometimes on a Saturday, with the car in park, you tell yourself, you're not going to make all the decisions. No. I'm just going to hang out, hang back, and see where it goes. Hopefully the rain holds off, so we got some sweeping up to do of the yard. And the first one's coming. By order of determination. Hi. I think Sonia's coming, dude.
Yeah, I know about me. I take a seat, so no one not take it.
Which seat?
Me I say yes, so I'll keep us but one, and nobody not take it.
Wow. That's so noble of you, dude. I might get out of here soon.
What is noble?
What is noble?
This.
What is noble?
This.
Noble means you do something that is the right thing to do when no one's even looking. Like, getting up in the morning and washing your face without having to be told to do so.
But I do this. I don't have to be told.
Junior, where's everybody?
Everyone in the house. So
how come the gate's open, Junior? Oh, here we go. Having or showing fine personal qualities or high moral principles. Yeah, we'll work on that one.
Sonia!
quick trip down the hill and back. Collecting a, what is it? Drum? Jug?
They can't see. Tyler can't see no in the front.
What?
I see no in the front.
Coconut in the road.
There's the coconut in the road.
Let me take it out.
Too late. I already ran it over. I don't know. Alright, down the hill, there and back.
Daddy!
Okay.
I'm asking you.
Hmm?
I'm just parking there.
Daddy!
Here? This? Cool. Alright, little stroll down the hill. Be right back. Hopefully. Alright, lean back, gentlemen and ladies. Oh, going down. Going down. Going down. Boy. You get a free ride. Whoa, you gonna make it? Lean back. Lean back. Uh-oh. 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 Face look familiar, man. I'm not gonna lie. You sure about this? All right, up the hill. Mars, excuse. He's gonna make it. Then we're gonna put him in it and roll him down the hill.
Yes!
Yeah.
You shoot already?
Okay, bye. Okay.
Hey, better way!
This will be interesting. Okay, bye.
Mars, my fault, Mars.
That didn't go so well. Who taught you guys how to push a barrel? Man. You're doing great, guys. Mars. Oh boy. Goodbye. Wow. That's one way to get it down. Oh, I know it missed. Oh boy. I'm blaming Sonia for this one.
No, man, you can't blame me. Never do nothing at all.
I think that's my point. I think that proved my point. I think I can make it back to the car. Mm-hmm. What happened? You guys get tired?
You know, self-fed and they reach you up inside the barrel.
I bet you they did.
And then turn back. When they reach you up here, so we did, don't. Oh, now exercise.
Okay.
Guys, man. Work out on the energy.
Oh, I dropped my ladybug. No, ladybug don't go in the stream. Anyway, so we got a barrel. A barrel and a ladybug. Who doesn't like me anymore? Come on.
But stop.
You know this lady. Oh wait, I'm
Mars not here, see.
Mars, share the seat.
Mars, stop.
Hold on, I got it. You're coming with me. There. Wow. This is a highlight of our day.
That's not a ladybug.
Why isn't that a ladybug?
Because, you know,
It looks like a ladybug.
What? Let me see that.
It looks. I can't. It flew.
That's not a ladybug.
It's still on my head. Wow.
That's not a ladybug.
I'm gonna call it a ladybug.
Alright.
Why not? We're going home. Go. Pull the trigger. Come on, little hand. Okay. Pull it back out. Pull it back out. Okay. All right, I don't want to put too many holes in here. One more. Okay. Let go. All right. It's going to drain. Cool. Any questions?
Where's stone?
No what? Honey, I don't think. Why? That cover's not going anywhere. All right. The stone's over in the stone pile.
Go down this
New rubbish can. Cool.
And that more guitar left.
No, that's it. Yes, there's more. More importantly, ladies and gentlemen, you guys haven't cooked on a Saturday in a long time. It is your Saturday. What are we making?
No. Macaroni and cheese.
Later, I'm going to get on kumba.
I got 1 vote for mac and cheese.
Frog.
Huh?
Diabo.
Frog.
Or if you cook, Frank.
Frog can eat.
Dave wants spring chicken. Okay.
Spring chicken too.
I don't know if they're gonna have
They
it.
don't sell spring chicken at Jamaica. I'm offering this.
Guys, the car can't leave till we know what we're eating.
Want to burger, child.
What happened to burger?
Like for a long time we not eat.
No, we can make like for my birthday on this side that day we gonna make him cupcake. Then we can make them.
We can make the cupcakes, but what are we eating with the food? Who knows? This could take a while. We'll be back.
Chicken
Burger
burger.
nuggets are
All right, after a very extensive debate, we have decided to divide and conquer. We will do nuggets and fries for some, burger and fries for others.
Sorry, take your foot out of the road.
cupcake.
Sonia will worry about the pedestrians.
Cupcake.
And cupcakes on the side.
Cupcake.
Any questions?
Sit down in the house.
All right, let's get this figured out. Good morning, sir. Can we trouble you for some maki? Maybe 3 dozen if you have.
3 dozen.
Yeah. Can we come? We'll come back from if you can pull them while we're gone.
When you coming back?
We're just going to Highgate and back.
All right.
Yeah.
I'm going back them up to the
All right.
come back.
Appreciate it.
All
Thanks,
right.
man.
Yes.
Maki. Fun adventure, a little bit of everything. Dave's. It was a busy Saturday. Thank you.
You see me careful on this?
Yeah, sat on your cake, man.
Eh?
What? It was in her seat. When stuff's in her seat, she just sits down.
So now we can have that, please.
Hi.
You believe Tyler? Thanks.
What?
You believe Tyler?
No, he stopped there. All right, we're gonna go. When we get back to the house.
Oh, you buy all time money?
Yes, dude. That's his birthday money. You got it.
How much should I?
How much was it? Andre? 2,980 plus 3 batteries. 3 packs of batteries.
Oh, okay, but you didn't go.
So we're gonna, only one way to find
Oh,
out.
be careful too.
That's a lot of hoping here. I hope we find Quena. We lost Quena. Quena went croc shopping.
Call me.
Yeah.
Which one with that? Cause Quena can't find me. Says so big. We were looking for Quena. Don't know where Quena went. And we are down by downtown Shiny right now. So I tell her, say, if you tell Quena, say, for walk go to Chantel.
Yeah.
Then Quena is up out of Jody. And I don't think so correct. Did they want to carry now?
Saturday in Jamaica. Beating most of the rain anyway. And we picked up our Aki.
Yeah, we have Aki and Sophie.
Sit down.
The breakfast tomorrow.
Okay. What do we got? Hold on. I see it. Yeah. How about we practice some driving before we worry about the smoky stuff? Dave will do some research. Maurice, let him play with it, dude. You guys figure it out. Maurice. Okay. Go. Who taught you how to drive, sir? Uh-huh. All right.
No. Yeah.
Whoa. I think we need to build an obstacle course. Real rubber tires, man. Real rubber tires. Hey, that's my toe.
No.
Okay.
I'm waiting.
Well, it's moments like these you're like, I'm glad I whacked the yard earlier. Because it's soaking wet now. Peanut butter and jelly time. I'm calling this the halftime show. What? What is it? Where are you going? Okay. Have fun. No umbrella, dude? You just going for it? No umbrella? All right. Good luck.
Can I get something for you now, please?
Peanut butter and jelly?
Nah.
Okay. Well, Quinn is making egg.
Let me show you.
Quinn is making eggs, dude. Yeah, you know, Andre's a little special. And what kind of kid doesn't like peanut butter and jelly?
3, 2, 1, and pop out. And then my egg.
And then homework.
And then go back to play.
And then no one's gonna touch an iPad today until Andre gets his homework done.
And then no one going to touch an iPad until Tyler gets his work done.
Wow, that's a long time, man. My work got done a couple years ago. Sure, go ahead.
My work got done before you was.
Your work's still sitting on the table, dude. Do you want help?
No.
You sure? Come on, muscles. Okay. Careful. Can you go get a spoon, please? God. Andre, get a spoon. You're scaring the children. Okay, he's dead. Goodbye, Andre, spoon. Wow. Bring it on the afternoon. Oh, I know what time it is.
Stop. I'm not for My turn, the master turn. No, yeah, my turn. Oh my god.
All right, gentlemen. Welcome to homework on a Saturday. Close.
Pro 5?
Profile.
Yeah.
Student profile.
6?
Yes. Are you a male or a female? Check a box.
Oh, no. Meow.
Then you gotta check the box.
Female.
You're so funny. Date of birth, sir. Date of birth.
Month.
You just had a birthday. You should know this.
E-T-E-M
B.
E-R.
Uh-huh.
I know say a B, but I never remember for it B, so.
Yeah, you get the B and the D. But you did a good job on that one. What day?
Sister, my 24.
24.
24.
What year? No, you're putting that, Andre. It goes into the next section. Come on, Junior, I thought you were helping him. Why am I doing all the work?
Because they are so.
Wow. So the next time, you know, you're at the table with your work and you ask me for help, and I'll be like, but you de eso? But you de eso? I like saying that.
What I mean?
What, heights? How tall are you?
6 feet? No. 7 feet?
7 feet?
Like 2
Go, Junior, go get the tape measure. It's about to get real. Gentlemen, first thing we need to think out, are you going to measure in feet and inches or centimeters?
Centimeters.
Centimeters, yay. Global measurement systems. So, Junior, We gotta go from the top to the bottom.
Top?
All the way to the top and all the way to the bottom. I got a Junior. Can I give you my suggestion? How about you put the little clip thingy underneath his little big toe? Andre, you step on that with your toe. Hold it down with your toe. Hold it down. Straight up to the top of his head. Stop. Oh, he's officially top of the head.
3 foot 10.
With the hair or without?
With only no.
I'm going 118 centimeters.
So 310.
Oh boy.
310 repeat.
Yes, but okay, we could put both. This is great.
No.
Come on, Cromwellland. C-R.
R.
Uh-huh.
O-W.
No. That's crow. C-R-O-M.
C-R-O-M-W.
Well, that's crom. Now we need to spell well.
L-L.
Well.
W-E-L.
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 Now we need to spell land.
L-A-N-D.
L-A-N-D. Good.
L.
Sure, Junior. Mm-hmm.
Spell the other two down.
Right. Cromwellland. What parish do we live in?
St. Mary. Right, St. Mary.
Capital S. Proper noun. You know that. Capital M. All right. Almost done. All right, sir. Favorite food?
Crab.
Alive or dead? Cooked or raw? Okay.
Carl, when you ride, pinch me.
Because what's in alive, it can attack. Cool. Crab. How you spell crab?
G-R-A-B.
Then what are you waiting for?
G-R-A-B.
Andre, you wrote that into the wrong section, dude. Oh boy.
Where's the
Favorite food? It's a good part to write. Next one. Oh, there's more. Crab and...
You love it. You love it.
Sushi?
Yes.
Yeah.
Sushi.
You don't love sushi.
Yeah, I do.
You don't love sushi.
Then when we were at the something there, no,
Yeah.
at the hotel,
Uh-huh. The Moon Palace.
and it was very big,
Uh-huh.
and they had ice cream there.
Yeah, and you ate sushi?
Wait, it was in the DR. You remember? Oh,
Andre, choose a food, dude.
I want
Ooh, pencils. That's it. Crab and pencils, because you always have your pencil in your mouth. No?
yeah, it's sushi. Wait a minute, it's statue. Then when me and Junior always
yeah.
there, so
That was at the Moon Palace restaurant.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, my grandma said me
Okay.
eat this sushi.
Well, what's another food that you eat most of the time? Not because there's not a lot of sushi around here. Sushi.
Yeah, that's it.
Aki?
Oh, yeah, no.
Because I know you. Do you know how to spell Aki?
A-K-A-K-Y.
No. Do you know how to spell Aki?
A-E.
No.
No, A-K.
A-C.
A-C-K-E-E.
A-C-K-E-E.
A-C.
Almost done.
S-H-E-E-M.
What?
S-A.
No.
H.
N-A.
Nashima?
Yes.
You know?
Nashima. N-A-S-H-E-E-M. A. Hurry up. Let's write it. Almost done. Oh. Shh. She's just a friend, right?
I'm also a something else.
Yes. A best friend.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's keep going. Sonia left, by the way. She left. She went to Ochi with going to look at laptops with somebody, and left me here with them.
She also.
She's a friend. Last one. What does it say?
Favorite television show.
Favorite television show.
Huh?
What's your favorite TV show? Your favorite that you like to watch?
Netflix.
Do you like Netflix?
Nah, YouTube.
Not YouTube? Netflix over YouTube?
Nah, YouTube.
YouTube? Is there a particular channel that you like to watch?
Yeah.
What is it?
Fire Ivory.
Oh, really? Are you sure? You want to put that for sure? Okay. Do you know how to spell it?
No, I ain't putting that.
Why not?
I'm going. My teacher's going to be like, "What the heck is Fire Ivory?"
Yeah, and you're going to say?
I don't know. I just put it there.
Wow. Andre, it's your TV show. Whatever you want to put, dude. Almost done, dude. Last one, last part. S-U-E-E-R.
Super Saya.
Okay.
What's the name?
I don't know. How do you spell Saya?
No.
There's only one way to find out.
Google.
I was going to say, get your iPad and look, but... Oh boy, you got it?
Super Fire. Okay.
Sonia will be back soon. Sonia will be back soon. Sonia will be back soon. Papayas are soon.
S-I-R-E. S-I-R-E.
Okay.
S-I-R-E. I know we don't. I-R-E.
There's only one thing left to do. Close the book. Go play. Bye. Go play. Bye. I don't want to know. Oh, did you hear what I heard?
Yeah.
Oh no, what is it? Oh no. Okay, bye. There he is. He's back. Yay. Wow. Getting worried. He hadn't been here for a few weeks. Ice cream. All right. All right, spot. We're gonna make it. That's the afternoon sigh. That's the. I'm always amused. Afternoon and evening. Like I say afternoon, people say evening. I'm like, it's only 4:30, but it could be either and or both. So, gazebo update. I'm just gonna take the Band-Aid off. Here we go. Floor is fully completed. We got everything tiled in, pattern appropriate, thankfully. Even the plumbing, cool. And then we get to the counter space. Hi, Spot, Emma. They've helped themselves, I know. All right, gonna be needing some grout, but we got the stone on the inside of the walls. This will be nice and cleaned off eventually. Stone on the inside and outside. And then we're gonna have the black over this as well. And black all the way through on the top. Cool. One of my favorite expressions is tomorrow. Like, all right, tomorrow. And I've come to realize, well, I was told tomorrow before they left. I'm not sure if that is a literal tomorrow or tomorrow is in like the next time we see you. So all in all, it's slowly but surely getting there to what Sonia had hoped for. And me. Just a little bit. Okay, Google, set timer for 10 minutes.
Good night, YouTubers. So today I go to Highgate with Sonia and Tyler's and the rest of the kids. First thing we go down a ranch first. Then we go for the jump. Me, Junior, Maurice and Andre, we roll the jump, go up, and then we roll it come down, and then we have fun. Then we come back round, then we take out the jump out of the truck back, and then we go to Highgate, then we go in and Chinese. Then we walk around and look for the cracks, and then after a while, my qualify Sonia and Tyler. So we go back up on my sister, and then they go back down at the bottom Chinese and look for me. So I have fun today with Tyler and Sonia and the rest of the kids them.
No, me got one there, yard, and the water comes with me. And no, I said, I know he idiot.
Wow.
Yo, boy, we're Andre, man.
Gentlemen. Hello, Andre.
Good luck.
Alright, guys, tell the YouTubers good night.
Good night, YouTubers.
Really fun.
Good night, YouTubers.
You wake up sweeping and you go to bed sweeping.
Good night, YouTubers.
Okay. Yeah.
And good night, YouTubers.
Okay, YouTubers. Wow.
Tell us the YouTubers.
Goodbye. Please be home sometime reasonable.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, right. I know. Where does the time go? They say it flies when you're having some fun. Yeah, the boys are off to go have some dead yard fun with the neighbors. Sonia's on nighttime duty because Tyler's going to bed. It's been a day. We got yard whacked, clothes washed, gazebos tiled, supposedly. First try. Gonna get completed tomorrow, so stay tuned for Tuesday's reveal, supposedly. And yeah, Andre and Mars gaming out. It's been a day. I'm exhausted. I'm tired. I'm dead. Water didn't come last night, so I was up at 1 when Sonia tried it, and then 4 again when I tried it, and 6:30 again to try it again. Hopefully next Friday, but we got plenty of rainwater to suffice. And that's it. That is the week complete. Once again, we did it. I hope your week is going well. We're calling it. Throwing in the towel. See you guys in the next one. I don't even know who this is. Bye.